Think bacteria and what comes to mind? Maybe getting sick or something unpleasant. What if I told you there's a whole world of beneficial bacteria living right inside your gut, helping you stay healthy? The average human gut is home to over 100 trillion of these tiny organisms. This intricate community plays a crucial role in our health, influencing everything from digestion to cancer. Yes, cancer, as recent research suggests. Join us as we unravel the complex relationship between our gut microbiome and cancer and discover how these tiny organisms could revolutionize the way we prevent, diagnose, and treat this disease, and possibly if yogurt can really help us fight cancer. Imagine your gut microbiome as a bustling community of trillions of diverse individuals playing different roles to make the community thrive. There are good bacteria like these guys, helping you break down food and absorb nutrients, synthesize enzymes to break down complex substances, help fight pathogens, and aid in the production of neurotransmitters. They're like helpful citizens, keeping things running smoothly. But there are also some not so friendly bacteria, like these guys. If they get out of control, they can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem and what is termed as dysbiosis. This can lead to inflammation and other problems. Think of them as the uncontrolled troublemakers, disrupting the peace of the community. Like yin and yang, the balance between these two groups is key to maintaining a healthy balance for proper gut functioning. This is termed normobiosis. Just as how in a bustling community, things can be thrown out of balance, like heavy traffic due to a roadblock, the delicate balance of the gut microbiome can be thrown off balance. Dysbiosis is defined as an imbalance of the gut microbiota. Recent studies have shown their implication in the development and progression of several non-communicable diseases such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and even neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. This knowledge makes scientists curious as to how far our gut health can affect one of the most debilitating diseases known to man, cancers. How this is big news. Remember that research is ongoing and the gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem. However, newfound knowledge on the relationship between dysbiosis and specific bacteria is opening doors for new possibilities in preventing and treating diseases. Now let's explore how researchers are investigating the gut microbiome's potential cancer-fighting role and whether probiotics like yogurts might just be part of the solution. We mentioned the possibility of a link between gut microbiota and cancer. But how exactly might these tiny organisms influence cancer risk? Researchers have found a growing body of evidence that support the role of dysbiosis in the development and progression of certain types of cancers. These include colorectal cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and gastric cancers. For instance, Helicobacter pylori is associated with gastric cancer, while Fusobacterium nucleatum is strongly linked to colon cancer progression. While the mechanisms through which this happens are still being investigated, there are some working theories. One theory is that these harmful bacteria can create an inflammatory environment in the gut. This inflammation can negatively affect metabolism, damage healthy cells, and weaken the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off abnormal cell growth that can lead to cancer. Some bacteria might also produce substances called genotoxins that directly damage DNA and offset cancers. While not everyone with dysbiosis will develop cancer, since there are many other factors involved, their significant connection cannot be ignored. Understanding this connection between gut health and cancer risk opens exciting possibilities for prevention and treatment. Scientists are investigating ways to influence the gut microbiome to potentially fight cancer through probiotics. The use of probiotics, that is live bacteria in yeast, that can have beneficial effects on the body for the prevention and even the treatment of diseases is not entirely new. In fact, yogurt with live cultures has been a popular health food choice for decades. A study in 2022 showed that yogurt consumption was related to decreased risk of colorectal cancer. But how do probiotics contribute to the gut health and cancer conversation? Probiotics can help promote a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. These beneficial bacteria can potentially reduce inflammation and create an environment less favorable to cancer cells, by crowding out harmful bacteria. Furthermore, probiotics can improve cancer immunotherapy outcomes by influencing and boosting immune responses. It's important to emphasize that research on probiotics and cancer is still in its early stages. While some studies show promise, a lot more investigation is needed before any definitive claim can be made. So here's a key point. Probiotic yogurt may seem promising, but it's far from being a magic wand that cures cancers. However, this emerging field holds promise for the future of gut health and potentially influencing how we approach cancer. So today, we saw the fascinating and complex world of our gut microbiome. We also looked at how this biosis could influence cancer and the possibilities of probiotics in the fight against cancer. Although scientists are still studying the connection between the gut microbiome and cancer, understanding this link could help us find new ways to prevent and treat the disease. In the meantime, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and stress management can benefit your gut health. We know a healthy gut means a healthy you. To improve your gut health, focus on eating a balanced diet rich in prebiotics such as fiber, fruits and vegetables. Consider incorporating fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt or kinki. Remember, probiotic yogurt isn't a magical cure for cancer, but nurturing a healthy gut can empower your body's natural defenses. Plus, who says a balanced diet rich in gut-friendly foods can taste delicious? If you're interested in learning more about gut health and the microbiome, check out the resources and links in the video description below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on gut health and cancer research in the comments below.